What does heritage mean in Africa? Africans, how do we define our heritage? What is it that we have inherited from our forefathers? Do we own our culture and our languages? Are we free in this land called Africa? The late Steve Biko said, "Black consciousness represents a mindset and a lifestyle serving as the most constructive appeal to rise from the black community in an extended period." Let us examine the concept of heritage as South Africa Heritage Day draws near. Heritage is a broad concept. It is about our ethnic background, but also incorporates lessons from culture and personally experienced information. It's about your sense of self and your journey to reach this point. The English definition of heritage is something that has been or may be acquired by legal descent or succession. The English word heritage was first recorded in 1175 from the French word herita, to inherit. The word heritage translated into South African languages in Nguni is ifa or ilifa, Southern Sotho lefa, Northern Sotho bohwa, and Tsonga nzaka. What is African heritage? According to UNESCO, there are three types of heritage: natural, cultural, and mixed. Natural heritage sites are grouped into four categories. 1. Exceptional examples of Earth's life history or its geologic processes. 2. Exceptional examples of current ecological and biological evolutionary processes. 3. Rare, exceptional, superlative, or outstandingly beautiful natural phenomena. 4. Habitats for rare or endangered animals or plants or exceptional biodiversity sites. Drakensberg Mountains, Ukahlamba, Table Mountain, and wildlife fall under natural heritage. Numerous historic residences and buildings, significant archaeological sites, and large-scale sculptures or paintings are examples of cultural heritage sites. For example, Mapungubwe, the rock paintings, and the Kwabulawayo Palace in KwaZulu-Natal. Sites classified as mixed heritage have both natural and culturally significant components. For example, Robben Island, Maloti Drakensberg Park, Isimangaliso Wetland Park. What is the origin of the Heritage Day celebration in South Africa? In various ethnicities, there are various ways of celebrating heritage. In South Africa, it was taken from KwaZulu, Shaka's Day, which was a day dedicated to honoring King Shaka Zulu on the day of his passing in 1828. Shaka Zulu played a major role in bringing the several local clans together to form a single cohesive Zulu nation. Every year on September 24, thousands of people pay their respects to King Shaka at the King Shaka Memorial in honor of his outstanding achievements. Eventually, the day changed and became the national heritage of South Africa. What is the purpose of the Heritage Day in South Africa? The South African Ministry of Arts and Culture on September 24, Heritage Day, honors and celebrates the diversity of the country's cultures. South Africans celebrate the day by remembering the cultural heritage of the many cultures that make up the population or nation of South Africa. This day is celebrated across the nation with a variety of festivities. It is crucial for promoting social cohesiveness, cultural diversity, peace, reconciliation, and economic growth. These are the ethnic groups found in South Africa: the white, the Afrikaners, the colored, and the Indian. The people who speak Southern Bantu languages, the Nguni languages, Zulu, Xhosa, Swati, Ndebele, the Soto Tswana languages, Northern Soto, Sesotho, Tswana, the Tswa Ronga people, the Tsonga, the Inyambane people, and the Venda people. The last in the hierarchy is the Khoisan